best Obsidian free alternatives for offline users. If you are looking for an Obsidian alternative that works offline and you want a tool that's free, a personal knowledge base, no internet required, files you truly own, you are in the right place. Today, we are exploring the best Obsidian alternatives for offline users, with real examples, pros and cons, and who each tool is actually best for. So let's dive in. On the screen, you can already see Obsidian, and this is the app that we are going to find an alternative for. This is an easy to use app. Most of this is usually done online, but it also has some offline features. Sometimes users need a better note-taking app which is completely offline and their notes are directly saved in their device. First, let's talk about the Note app that is already present in your laptop or your PC by default, even on your phones. This is just the basic Note app where you can simply type in your notes and save them. Like we are going to write daily task and you can just add into your task, create a script, or add interns to meetings. Just like that, you can easily type in your thoughts or your daily task, but it's not as practical because you cannot run down a checklist of all of these. You can save this and edit them in different formats. Like you click on this, you can also go with fonts, just like that. We're going to click on it. You can go with any of these fonts, bold, and there you go. You can also view this, and then later on you can just simply save this in your laptop with whatever name, and just like that, this has been saved. We're going to write a name. Just like that, this has been saved into your device. As this just used local markdown, this is going to connect your thoughts with blank pages and you can just simply type in and brainstorm in here. But this isn't as practical if you want to store them. You have to export it to your laptop or your computer, and it lacks a lot of tools that other note apps can help you. Just like this app, this is called the Logseq app, and once we talk about this feels more like Obsidian. It uses markdown or org mode text lines. It's offline but by default, and it is completely free. It also provides us with a graph view which is very similar to that of Obsidian. Right here you can create your notes or export your files right here. It also gives us flashcards, and here this is going to explain a little demo on how you can get to use this. The main folder where you are actually going to write in your notes is the journal. You can simply just click on a journal and start writing your tasks, or if you want you can just start writing your ideas, just like that. And okay, perfect. This is worth considering because it works offline and out of the box. You can type in your daily notes and backlinks. Graph view and powerful querying is also important and present here. You can simply create your graph view, you can add in a graph, you can start exporting a folder or pages, daily notes, anything that you like. A quick take is that if you like Obsidian's philosophy but want something a little simpler or more structured, Logseq is one of the strongest free alternatives. Just like that, I am going to open this. You can simply click on create. It also provides you with a whiteboard where you can chart in your rough ideas and simply just scroll through them. Now, another alternative is TiddlyWiki. This is basically a tool that people use when they want total control. We are going to open this draft and start editing on it. You can type in your material in this text box, give your file name, and TiddlyWiki isn't a traditional app. It's a single HTML file that contains your entire wiki. You open it in your browser, type notes, and save it locally very easily. We are going to save this. You can edit the type of this, and simply we're going to make in some additions right here, add this, and simply click on correct. You can use this for your research tracking, personal journals, or linked information networks. This application is really reliable because you can just start writing in your thoughts in this text box without using any internet, and this is completely offline. TiddlyWiki is ultra lightweight, offline first, and completely free. It's less like a traditional editor and more like a personal knowledge network in a single file. If you want to stay more in control and opinion-based, then this app is perfect for you if you're looking for an alternative for Obsidian. Another application is Notepad. You can easily find this in your web browser, And this is going to directly take you to blank pages, which you can export locally as well. You can simply type in your notes, like your project ideas, just like that. And you can just simply type in your journaling or your projects, even your personal notes. This is just going to be super reliable. Once you are done with it, you can simply just export this or download it as a plain text, a PDF, HTML, or a doc file. Notepad gives you different types of layout based on your preference. We can download this even as a PDF, and this is simply going to download. We're going to open this, and it's going to be just simple and clean. It doesn't provide us with many layouts other than font and just a few additions to the text, but mainly that's it. This is very simple. Offline markdown editors built around Notepad is like where each idea is atomic and connected. This is great for thinkers, researchers, and anyone who wants to build their own personal knowledge database. You can simply just export this and save it onto your laptop or other devices. The best choices are based on who you are and how you want to use your note apps. Here's how you can choose. As you can see, Logseq is the most closest app to Obsidian. It's the best hybrid if you like Obsidian style links and you want simplicity. TiddlyWiki is the best ultra portable offline wiki, and if we talk about the notepad, this is just as simple as your default notepad app in your computer. You can simply just download this in different layouts and just start writing your thoughts in the text box very easily. The thing about your default note app in your laptop or your PC that is already provided by the software is it's more reliable, and you don't have to download any extra application. This is already provided in every laptop or your Windows. We can conclude that no single tool is perfect for everyone, but all of these work offline and are completely free. Before we end this video, let's do a quick reality check, because AI note-taking and offline don't always mix perfectly. Most powerful AI note tools rely on the cloud, but you can combine offline editors with AI summaries manually. Like for an example, if you take a raw offline note in Logseq, you export it and run them through an AI summarizer when you do have internet. This gives you offline storage plus AI insights. So, are free offline Obsidian alternatives worth using? Absolutely. If you value ownership, no internet dependency, portable, low-tech resilience, and high privacy, these are perfect for you. If you want a powerful linking plus online first, Logseq is my top pick. If you want simplicity or ultralight, TiddlyWiki and Notepad are my next better options. And that's a practical look at the best Obsidian free alternative for offline users in 2026. If you found this topic helpful, like, subscribe, and comment with the tool you are using right now. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.